Hello, friends. Welcome back to Universal English Learners.
I'm Alex.
And I'm Jamie. Today's lesson is a little longer than usual. We have 3 short stories about a woman named Maria.
Each story happens in a different place in her town: the market, a restaurant, and the doctor's clinic.
Listen slowly, listen carefully, and don't worry if you miss a word here and there.
Just relax and enjoy the story with us. And if this is your first time here, please subscribe and click the bell.
Let's begin. A walk to the market.
Every morning, Maria wakes up early.
She opens the window and looks outside. The sky is blue. The sun is bright.
Maria drinks a cup of tea. She eats a small piece of bread. Then she takes her bag and leaves the house.
Maria walks to the market. It's not far from her home, only 10 minutes away.
On the way, she passes a small park. Children are playing and birds are singing in the trees.
Maria arrives at the market. It's busy and colorful, full of stalls with fruits and vegetables.
Red apples, yellow bananas, green cucumbers, so many colors.
Maria says, "Good morning," to the seller.
Good morning. What do you need today?
"I need 3 apples and 2 bananas, please."
The seller puts the fruits in a bag. Maria pays and says, "Thank you very much."
"You're welcome. Have a nice day."
Maria walks back home feeling happy. A simple morning, but a beautiful one.
Vocabulary from Story 1. Wakes up. To stop sleeping. Example, Maria wakes up early.
Bright, full of light. Example, the sun is bright.
Market. A place to buy food and other things. Example, Maria walks to the market.
Stall, a small shop or table where people sell things. Example, there are many stalls with fruits.
Seller. A person who sells things. Example, the seller smiles.
Try using these words in your own sentences. Write them in the comments.
Lunch at the restaurant.
After the market, Maria feels hungry, so she stops at a small restaurant near her home.
The restaurant is cozy. Soft music plays. A waiter walks over, smiling widely.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Sunny Table. Are you hungry or very hungry?
Very hungry. I walked all the way to the market and back.
Then you need a big lunch. Here's the menu. Take your time. The soup isn't going anywhere.
Good. I don't want the soup running away from me.
Ha! Good one. Nobody has ever escaped from our kitchen. Not even the noodles.
Okay. I'll have a bowl of vegetable soup and a plate of rice with grilled chicken, please.
Excellent choice. And to drink?
Orange juice, please. Extra cold if the sun keeps being this bright.
Extra cold coming up. Should I also bring an umbrella for the sun?
No, just the juice is fine.
A few minutes later, the food arrives. Steam rises from the soup.
Careful, it's hot. Hotter than my jokes.
Your jokes weren't that hot.
Ouch. Okay, maybe medium warm.
They both laugh. Maria starts eating and the soup is delicious.
How is it?
Amazing. Almost as good as your comedy show.
I'll take that. Enjoy your lunch.
Maria finishes happily, pays the bill, and leaves a generous tip.
Thank you. Come back soon. The soup misses you already.
Maria laughs one more time as she walks out the door. Vocabulary from Story 2. Cozy, warm and comfortable. Example, the restaurant is cozy.
Escape. To get away from something. Example, nobody has ever escaped from our kitchen.
Steam, hot mist that rises from hot food or drinks. Example, steam rises from the soup.
Generous tip. Extra money given to say thank you. Example, Maria leaves a generous tip.
Delicious, very tasty. Example, the soup is delicious.
A visit to the doctor. After lunch, Maria remembers her doctor's appointment. She walks to the small clinic near the park.
The clinic is clean and calm. A nurse greets her at the front desk.
Hello, do you have an appointment today? Yes, at 2 o'clock with Dr. Lin. Perfect timing. Please take a seat. He loves punctual patients. It makes his whole day feel organized.
Maria sits down and waits. A few minutes later, the doctor calls her name.
Maria, come in. How are you feeling today?
I have a small cough and my throat feels a little scratchy.
A scratchy throat. Did a cat scratch it, or is it just the weather?
Just the weather, I think.
Good, good. Cats are much harder to treat than coughs. He checks her throat and listens to her breathing. Take a deep breath for me. And another. Perfect. Your lungs sound very happy.
That's good news. Happy lungs are important.
The most important. I'll give you some medicine, and you should drink warm tea with honey. No cold juice for a few days. Sorry to say.
No juice? Even after my big lunch today?
Especially after a big lunch. Warm tea, warm soup, and lots of rest.
All right, doctor. Warm tea it is.
He writes a small note and hands it to her. Here's your prescription. Rest well and come back if the cough doesn't improve in a few days.
Thank you, doctor. You always make these visits less scary.
That's my job. Doctor by day, comedian by also day. They both laugh, and Maria leaves the clinic feeling much better already.
Vocabulary from Story 3. Punctual. Arriving on time. Example, he loves punctual patients. Scratchy. Feeling rough or irritated. Example, my throat feels scratchy. Lungs. The organs you use to breathe. Example, your lungs sound very happy. Prescription. A doctor's note for medicine. Example, here is your prescription. Improve. To get better. Example, come back if the cough doesn't improve in a few days. Now, let's practice speaking together. Repeat these lines after Alex and me. Pause the video if you need more time.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Sunny Table.
Pause. I would like a bowl of vegetable soup, please. Pause.
How are you feeling today?
Pause. I have a small cough and a scratchy throat. Pause.
Thank you, doctor. You always make these visits less scary.
Pause. Well done. Your pronunciation is improving every day.
Comprehension quiz. Let's check what you remember. Answer these questions. What did Maria order at the restaurant? What joke did the waiter make about the soup? Why did Maria visit the doctor? What did the doctor tell her to drink instead of juice?
Pause the video and think about your answers.
Here are the answers. Maria ordered vegetable soup, rice with grilled chicken, and orange juice. The waiter joked that the soup wouldn't run away from her. Maria visited the doctor because she had a cough and a scratchy throat. The doctor told her to drink warm tea with honey instead of juice.
Great job. You understood the whole story.
That's all for today's lesson. Maria had a busy day, the market, lunch, and the doctor, but she smiled through it all.
And so did we. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's learning English too.
See you in the next episode of Universal English Learners.
Goodbye, and keep learning.